Stamps always fascinated people by its beauty and history. Attracting more people to the philately, various countries released various unusual or odd-shaped stamps. It includes stamps made of wood, plastic, cloth and three-dimensional, holographic, and motion stamps. This video is the first video of upcoming series Unusual and Odd Stamps released by various countries. This video features plastic postage stamps. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my future videos. Bhutan is the first country to release plastic molded stamps. Bhutan released world's first bas relief stamps History of Sculpture, a set of 8 stamps and 2 miniature sheets in 27 February 1971. On April 17, 1972, a set of 6 value stamps and a 4 value miniature sheets self-adhesive plastic heat-molded stamps of famous people were issued. The images were John F. Kennedy, Mahatma Gandhi, Winston Churchill, Charles de Gaulle, Pope John XVII and Dwight David Eisenhower. Maldives Post issued 2 plastic miniature sheet on Mahatma Gandhi to commemorate the 85th memorial anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. The Belgian Post, on the occasion of the International Year of Crystallography, issued on 9 June 2014 2 postage stamps and a leaflet entitled Les Cristaux en Lumière, Crystals in the Limelight. These stamps have been printed on a semi-transparent adhesive base to remind us of the clarity of many crystals. On the occasion of the International Polar Year, Russian Post had issued a special souvenir sheet on 21 March 2017 depicting the floating polar stations, North Pole. The researches of the ice surfaces, the cultural and the natural heritage of the Arctic are depicted on the stamps. 21 December 2018, Burundi Post, to commemorate the 55th anniversary of China-Burundi diplomatic relations, has issued a special plastic miniature sheets of stamps depicting the various stages of China on the stamps. Austria Post has issued a special stamp reflecting the use of modern-day technology for crypto stamp based on the open-source programmable blockchain Ethereum with its own cryptocurrency called Ether. The stamp has been issued on a plastic card with a QR code and a tearaway part with scratch-off painting. The stamp set comes in 2 parts. The left part, with a 3D hologram unicorn logo associated with Ethereum, functions as a standard stamp that can be used to send mail. The right section, on the other hand, contains the credentials used to authenticate the crypto collectible via blockchain, a special kind of the centralized data storage. This defines a digital wallet or purse in which the stamp is stored as a virtual collector's item, which is exclusively owned by the wallet owner.